What's up, everyone? Here's the Simplex 49049053 remote light. It's a ceiling mount light. Here's the base for it right there, and as you can tell, it mounts on the ceiling instead of just usual on the wall. If it was a 9000 one, then it would be wall mounted and 24 volts DC. This is a 120 volt AC light, so if I had a 120 volt AC horn, I would put a 120 volt AC horn with this. So anyways, here's the light. Turn it on. It's a cool looking drone light. I'm gonna go turn the backlights off. Turn the backlights off. See it. Can't travel through the dark without my lamps plugged in. Station's a mess. Scared. This is blow up. Well, here it is. This is what it looks like in the dark. Should have a flashlight. Should have a flashlight down here. I don't want to be scared. I'm trapped. Mom's gonna scare me. Doesn't that happen? I'm scared. Yeah. A 40-50 horn. Here it is, so now we're gonna coat it. Now here's some hand coatings. Warning, this video is gonna contain flashing lights. I'm gonna flip the switch. This is how I'm gonna coat it. If you have any seizures or epilepsy, please do not watch this video while I'm coating this. So anyway, so here's March time. Code 3. Let's do March time again. Code 3. Five rounds of code 3. Temporal code. Now here's 4001 temporal code. "90 beats per minute March time," which is what the Simplex 2001 does. This is on AC, and a relay for AC hooks up to a 2001, and then this light was hooked up to a 2001, then this would be coding the March time code. So here you go. Code 4-4. Code 4-4-4-4. Here's March time at 60 beats per minute. No, carbon monoxide code. Code 4. Now, 60 beats per minute march time, which is what silent night panels do. Silent night panels do that. Game Off CI 7100 does that for their slow march time. I know Simplex does 20 beats per minute, and EST does 20 beats per minute. Silent Night does that for the march time. Game Off CI for one of the march times does it. Fast one's 120 beats per minute. The slow one for the game Noel FCI is 60. No, mostly it's 20 beats per minute, but for Game Off CI it's 60 beats per minute. Firelight panels do 120 beats per minute. So here's 60 beats per minute. Here we go. .30 beats per minute march time. Slow march time. Now here's a bonus one. I know Flash Technology, you know the beacon, tower beacon company called Flash Technology? Their xenon beacons kind of sound like a fire alarm at night mode. The xenon beacon sounds like one. So here's a bonus one that I'm going to do. For the FTB 310s, those are the white beacons. They're white only. For night mode, they code 40 beats per minute. So here's 40 beats per minute. That's a code that's a challenging code. Now the flash pattern for that's 40 beats per minute. So it's not normal march time. Sometimes panels should have 30 or 40 beats per minute for march time. Well, reminds me of the FTB 310 for 40 beats per minute, but 20 beats per minute reminds you of the Flash Technology beacons. The ones with the tubes called the FH306 or the FH312, or no, FTB 312, or the FTB 324s, which no longer use the tube. They have a red beacon at the top. And, Flash Technology, and, Flash Technology. Hugh and Phillips is 30 beats per minute. For their flash rate for the beacons. When xenon beacons, actually when they code, when they do night mode, it kind of reminds me of a fire alarm coding. For the FTB 310, Flash Technology, those remind me of a fire alarm, of a Simplex 4040 coding 40 beats per minute march time. But the 324 kind of reminds you of a 4040 coding 20 beats per minute march time. I don't know if it was on a silent night panel then. If the 4040 was on a silent night panel, it would need a transformer or a relay. That would you would need to wire a diode to those, which is a pain in the rear to do. So anyways, let's code March time again, since it's my favorite coding. Oh, it almost flew out. Better code it careful though. The bulb almost blew out, so anyways, thanks for watching.